While riding in my limousine, what to my surprise, a little bubble car was following me, about 1/3 my size. The guy must have wanted to pass me out, as he kept on tooting his horn. I'll show him that a limousine is not a car to scorn. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. I pushed my foot down to the floor to give the guy the shake, but the little bubble car stayed right behind. He still had on his brake. He must have thought his car had more guts, as he kept on tooting his horn. I'll show him that my limousine is not a car to scorn. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. My car went into passing gear and we took off with gust. Soon we were doing 90, must have left him in the dust. When I peeked in the mirror of my car, I couldn't believe my eyes. The bubble car was right behind. I think that guy could fly. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. Now we're doing 110. It certainly was a race. For a bubble to pass a limo would be a big disgrace. The guy must have wanted to pass me out, as he kept on tooting his horn. I'll show him that a limousine is not a car to scorn. Beep, 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 beep. His horn went beep, beep, beep. Now we're doing 120 as fast as I could go. The bubble pulled alongside of me as if I were going slow. The fellow rolled down his window and yelled for me to hear.